how to use Instagram Reels as WhatsApp status. To get started, first of all, open up the Instagram application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Instagram homepage. Here, you can view posts and stories of your friends or people that you follow on Instagram. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on the Reels icon. Here, you can view and explore Instagram Reels. Choose a reel that you like and tap on the three dots as shown. Now tap on the send button. Here, you can send this reel to your friends on Instagram. You can also copy the link or share to other platforms from the options below. Here, tap on WhatsApp status. You will then be taken to the status page on WhatsApp. You can also add a caption if you want. Then, tap on the send button below to share this as your status. You have now successfully added this reel to your WhatsApp status. Now go back and open up the WhatsApp application. Tap on Updates at the bottom left corner. Here, you can check your WhatsApp status and who or how many people viewed it. Following these steps, you can easily use Instagram Reels as WhatsApp status.